I'm assuming you've seen it already.
या यू नो एक्चुअली ये फिल्म जो है पहले किरण जी ने देखी और किरण जी ने इतनी तारीफ की ये फिल्म देख के और मुझसे उन्होंने ज़बरदस्ती कहा कि ये फिल्म आपको देखनी ही देखनी है। तो मैं भी सोचा था कि क्या बनाया शोनाली ने इतना कि इतनी एक्साइटेड थी किरण मुझे दिखाने के लिए। तो मैंने फिर फिल्म देखी और मुझे बेहद पसंद आई। इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाई है शोनाली ने और बहुत ही दिल को छू लेने वाली कहानी है। रियली टचेस योर हार्ट। अच्छा, कमाल की बात यह है कि अक्सर मैं जगह अलग अलग जगह जाता हूँ तो मुझे कई दफ़ा कुछ लोगों ने ये सवाल पूछा है कि हिंदी फिल्मों में जो लोग डिफरेंटली एबल्ड होते हैं या इनको हम डिसेबल्ड कहें, डिफरेंटली एबल्ड कहें, वो हमारे मेन कैरेक्टर्स कभी नहीं होते। आमतौर पे वो हमारे मेन कैरेक्टर्स नहीं होते, हम उन पर कहानी नहीं बनाते। लेकिन ये एक फिल्म है जिसमें जो लीड कैरेक्टर है शी इज़ गॉट सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी, जो दूसरी लीड कैरेक्टर है वो विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड है, नज़र नहीं आता उसको। तो इन दो लोगों की कहानी इतनी कमाल की कहानी है और इस फिल्म में इतना होप है। सच ए इंस्पिरेशनल फिल्म, इट्स वेरी अपलिफ्टिंग फिल्म। तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इस फिल्म के बारे में कि ना सिर्फ ये बहुत ही जज्बाती कहानी है लेकिन आपको यू गेट अप विद द फीलिंग ऑफ यू नो विद अ लॉट ऑफ फीलिंग ऑफ अपलिफ्टमेंट। वेरी वेरी फाइन फिल्म।
Your directorial debut was also a similar film.
Mine?
Yeah.
Well, not really. I think this film is more bold, more it's saying a different thing. I mean, I think Tare Zameen Par also is a very wonderful film. Script especially that Amol wrote was very 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 sensitive. This is not like that. No, it's different.
Which is some part inspired by Nanavati Madakis also?
I beg your pardon.
Nanavati Madakis?
Yeah.
No. Nothing to do.
I don't know
It's
who
an
that
original
is.
concept. I've been reporting.
I don't actually, sorry, I'm so sorry, I don't know who you're talking about.
No, nothing to do.
Sir, you've been a very good friend to Kamal Hassan nowadays, but again he's into some trouble saying that
Oh.
Kamal Hassan, sir.
What trouble?
Sir, you have been friends with him now because recently there was news saying that Amir and Kamal is back friendship. But now Hindu Vishnu Parishad said that Uttama करके उनकी movie है Uttama villain. जो
Should we talk about this film?
Sir, come on. Please.
Let's talk about this.
Shonali, it's coming during the IPL. It is an independent film. IPL is 8 years old now. But is there a sense of competition? Or was it a conscious decision to pick this particular slot to use your film?
Well, it's Viacom 18 who decided what the release dates would be, so I'm sure they keep all these things into consideration. I think you look at more what are the other films coming out at that time, and I think the feeling is that IPL hots up in May, and this is kind of a good time that they felt. Yeah.
आमिर अब रिसेंटली मराठी फिल्म देखने आए थे और मराठी फिल्मों के लिए प्राइम टाइम का दिया था, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि बॉलीवुड फिल्मों पे कितना असर पड़ेगा अगर प्राइम टाइम मराठी फिल्मों को देना, कितना जरूरी है आपके हिसाब से?
मुझे पता नहीं इसके लिए लॉ बनाने की ज़रूरत है या नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं। क्योंकि आमतौर पे जो थिएटर्स होते हैं, जो लोग जब कोई ऑडियंस एक फिल्म को पसंद करती है तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसको शोज़ मिलते हैं। तो आई डोंट नो कि इसके लिए लॉ बनाना ज़रूरी है या नहीं, बट आई एम डेफिनेटली इन सपोर्ट ऑफ रीजनल सिनेमा। और खुशी की बात यह है कि हिंदुस्तान में वाकई रीजनल सिनेमा इतना वाइब्रेंट है, हम अलग अलग भाषाओं में फिल्में बनाते हैं, तो ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है।
Also, Shonali is receiving a lot of flack for whatever she said. It was her, expression.
About what?
About.
Actually, I have no idea what's happening.
So basically, Shobha Dev had tweeted saying that the government is forcing such sort of rules on us Mumbaikars, and they're forcing us. So they say like it's zabardasti. So that is what she had mentioned in her tweet, for which she got a notice from Shiv Sena and BJP saying that she should write an apology letter. So we would want to know, from Shonali and from you as well, Amir, that how.
यार ये बहुत कमाल की फिल्म बनाई है शोनाली जी ने, और मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, मैं बाकी मुद्दों पे कभी भी बात कर सकता हूँ, ये फिल्म ओवरशैडो हो जाएगी ये सब मुद्दों से। तो आप लोग भी ये फिल्म को सपोर्ट करिए और सवाल मत पूछिए, और 2-4 सवाल इस फिल्म के बारे में पूछिए। मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्म लोग देखें, इतनी कमाल की फिल्म बनाई है, और आप लोग का भी ये काम बनता है कि आप लोग ऐसी अनयूजुअल फिल्म्स को सपोर्ट करें, है ना?
Amir, according to you, what was the best part of this film?
I think the story, the script, the performances, Kalki's done a wonderful job. I think in every department the script, the film is really shines out, really shines out. Thank you. Thank you.
Looking at the trailer, we really know that she stepped out of her comfort zone in a way.
I think she
you don't
was-
see any actor.
I don't know what you're saying, but my thing is I have known her more than you have. I know she's looked for this role, and this is something she wanted to do more than anything she's done in the past. And I've seen her prepare for it.
Also,
So I'm dying to see it on screen.
also Anurag, you know the recent thing that's been, that's been suggested about the Marathi films and the government made.
It's good, na yaar. Out of 5 screens, one screen, one show of a Marathi film is very good for the regional cinema.
Right. But also at the same time, you know, someone like Shobha Dev who wrote something on Twitter, she's getting notices from.
Yeah, I have no idea about all those things. Other people's business, I have stopped getting into. It's not my business.
Also, the Bombay Velvet is in a sense releasing during the IPL. So, can we say that your main protagonist is kind of braving the IPL in a sense this time?
There's nobody, anybody. Our film is coming out at time. It is ready. It should come out, and it's got nothing to do with anything. I think if a film is good, it will work. Whether it's the IPL or the World Cup. We had so many of them that are working during the World Cup.
Honestly speaking, whatever have you done before also, people always speak about it when in a positive way or in a negative way. When Bombay Velvet का trailer जब भी बाहर आया, people are saying it is not as expected because after the
Yeah, देखो एक दिन film बाहर आएगी ना. For me, I am ready to answer all questions when they see the film. Right? Till then, let anybody say anything they want to do.
But very sorry, Balraj, very sorry, Balraj, you don't come here.
I have no idea. I'm not his manager.
And how do you plan to promote Bombay Velvet since it's one of the biggest?
I am not
films of
planning. The marketing people are planning it. I am right now still mixing it.
Anurag, you are somebody, you know, who fiercely supported independent films. This time during IPL, you will see as many as 4 independent films.
Very good films coming out.
Time do you think,
I think it's good time. I feel like IPL is going to scare away the mainstream movies. It's a good time for indie movies to come out. Like Court is coming out, Mortal the Straw is coming out. 2 of the movies that I'm looking forward to the most are coming out together. And really, I think that 17th, the day that both the films are coming out, is going to be a very good day, a golden day in the history of independent cinema.
So my question is, sir, do you think independent films have now the confidence to take on something like an IPL?
Yes, sir.
Cricket fans?
Nothing, anything can take on the IPL. It's not about. I'm saying if your content is good, you will survive. IPL 20 ओवर का मैच है ना, एक दिन में एक मैच होता है ना, 3 घंटे देखते हैं ना लोग, बाकी के 21 घंटे क्या करेंगे? चल थोड़ी ना मारेंगे, पीछे देखने जाएंगे ना.
Thank you so much for that.
So have you already seen the movie or with the first time?
मैंने इस फिल्म के गीत लिखे.
Have you seen it?
Of course, यार.
How many times, sir?
2-3 बार देखे.
So, लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स कैसा आ रहा है सर? With the trailer? Any comment
नहीं,
from Bollywood trends?
मुझे ये फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट के लेवल से ही पसंद है, तभी इससे मैं जुड़ा हूँ. और मैंने फिल्म अलग अलग स्टेजेस पे देखी. पहले जब आधी तैयार थी तब देखी, फिर पूरी तैयार हुई, फिर पूरी तैयार हुई. तो हर रूप में देखी है. मुझे लगता है बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म है, बहुत ही सिंसियरली और ऑनेस्टली ईमानदारी से बनाई हुई पिक्चर है. और इसमें जो विषय उठाया गया है वो विषय आपको, वो डेलिकेट विषय है और नाजुक सब्जेक्ट है. उसे किस बारीकी से आप देखिएगा कि सोनाली जी ने हैंडल किया है, वो काबिल तारीफ है. और मैं इस फिल्म का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ.
That Marathi films should be shown at the prime time between 6 to 9 Marathi films. So what do you have to say about this?
देखिए, मुझे तो लगता है रीजनल सिनेमा को बढ़ावा देने के लिए जो भी किया जाए बहुत अच्छा है. और मैंने अभी मुझे उस लॉ का कि पूरा मालूमात नहीं किस तरह से क्या इम्प्लीमेंट होने वाला है, लेकिन जो मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है कि क्षेत्रीय भाषा की फिल्मों को प्राथमिकता दी जाए और रीजनल फिल्म्स को बढ़ावा दिया जाए, वो तो अच्छी चीज़ है, उसका अच्छी बात है.
Sir, everybody can have an opinion. Shobha had an opinion on this, but now she is asked to apologize about the decision of the government.
देखिए, किसी के और के जो वो कहते हैं उस पर मुझे कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करनी. मैं आपको उनका अपना विचार है. मुझे लगता है कि हमारे यहाँ इतनी खूबसूरत भाषाएं हैं इस देश में, और मराठी एक बहुत ही समर्थ भाषा है. और उसमें जो काम हुआ है वो सिर्फ फिल्मों में नहीं, थिएटर में, कविता के क्षेत्र में और साहित्य के क्षेत्र में इतना अच्छा काम हुआ है, वो लोगों तक सामने लाने के लिए प्रयास तो करना अच्छी बात है.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
So watching it for the first time, you have already watched it.
No, I haven't watched it.
Except the promo.
this went with PK, no? Love the promos, very keen to see what happens.
So we recently heard that your film PK has got the highest ticket sales. The party doesn't stop as far as PK is concerned.
All I can say is happiness.
How excited are you when you're going to watch a film like this? How the characters are and entertainment is not big in terms of the it's a very hard hitting film.
See, a good film is not necessarily about entertainment. A good film is about engaging you. If a film can engage you, anything. People watch horror film also not because they want to get scared. So anything which engages you can be a good film. And when I see the trailer looked promising, and Amir has seen it, and Amir has called all of us. And whenever Amir likes a film, I usually I think I have similar taste, so I really want to see it.
So, IPL is still in a sense a big competitor as far as movies are concerned. It has already started, but this year we are seeing as well independent films which are releasing independent films in India now have the confidence to take on something like because the content is kind of going from one level to the next.
See, we are in a country of billion people, so I know a lot of them will be watching cricket, but a lot of them still can go and watch films. And if in the past there have been examples where even during IPL a lot of films have done well. So there's room for everyone, I guess.
Also, Raju, we would really like to hear your comments with regards to the Marathi films that will be screened now at the right time, the rule that's being made recently. So,
अभी इसकी बात करते हैं.
they just
Otherwise, we'll just start on to everything else. Let's talk about you come for this film.
Just one
So let me see this film and then
Perfect.
we'll talk about it.
Thank
Better
you
do
so
it.
much. Thank you, sir. जी आपने तो ऑलरेडी फिल्म देखी है आपने said that कि you forced him to just support Sonali saying that कि हाँ this is one of the greatest movies. How did you find it?
It's an excellent film. I mean, I think it's compulsory watching for everyone in this country. I think it's such a sensitively made film, so funny, yet so poignant and emotional. So I think it will connect with anyone who watches the film, and I hope a lot of people go out and watch the film.
But what made you impose your idea saying that कि आमिर आपको जाके देखनी है movie?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी फिल्म और मुझे लगा कि आमिर को भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. उनकी टाइप की फिल्म है और इस तरह की फिल्में बहुत कम बनती हैं जिसमें किरदार ऐसा एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिविजुअल है जिसका पर्सनालिटी इतनी खूबी से इन्होंने लिखा है और बाहर आता है, जबकि डिसेबल्ड है लेकिन उनके सोचने के तौर तरीके, उनका जीने में जो मज़ा आता है वो देख के दिल बिल्कुल खुश हो जाता है. और मुझे पता था कि आमिर जिन्होंने सत्यमेव जयते में भी डिसेबिलिटी पे एक एपिसोड किया था उनको तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा और उनको लगा भी. और आई थिंक ये फिल्म ना सिर्फ हमको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये बहुत सब्जेक्ट इतना ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए. हम लोग डिसेबल्ड लोगों को बहुत अलग तरीके से देखते हैं और इस फिल्म से बहुत सीखने को मिलता है और बिल्कुल मेरे आंखों के सामने से एक पर्दाफाश हो गया. इट वाज लाइक अ रेवलेशन फॉर मी. सो आई थिंक वो उस हिसाब से सबको देखना चाहिए. लेकिन उसके अलावा बहुत एंटरटेनिंग है, बहुत मज़ेदार है, बहुत दिल को छूने वाली बातें और बहुत हंसने के भी मौके हैं इसमें, बहुत फ़नी भी है. तो आई वुड रियली एनकरेज सब लोग बाहर जाके फिल्म Me and Ayan?
Yeah.
No.
Nothing like that?
Kiran, you are doing a lot for independent cinema. The film is one example. Tell us, do you think in this day and age independent cinema coming from India has the confidence to take on something like an IPL? IPL has just started and during that period we are seeing as many as 4 independent films released. Margarita included. So if you can tell us.
I feel it's something that independent films are forced to do because at least during IPL that very big films won't think of releasing. So it's a release strategy that independent films have adopted, which I have to say has worked in the past because IPL takes time to build up, and sometimes there are people who don't really watch a lot of cricket and would be interested in this kind of cinema. Having said that, I agree with you. It is at the end of the day a bit of a compromise. You're pitching it against IPL, and that's not a small thing in any case. We don't have much of a choice, and I feel until we create many more screening options for independent films, we'll be forced to do this. But we'll take it. I mean, I think all of us independent filmmakers need venues, we need exhibition, and whatever good options we get, we will take. So I think it's a question of doing the best we can under the circumstances.
What are your views on Marathi films getting prime time first at multiple seasons as far as
Well, I'm kind of ambivalent about it. I have to say I haven't read what has been written about it so far. I've just kind of heard, so I don't feel like commenting very strongly about it. I think I do think that Marathi cinema does need space, and like independent films, it is jostling for space in the mainstream, and this is bound to happen because the larger number of audiences go out to watch Hindi films. Having said that, I feel it might be quite restrictive if it's an enforced law, and I think in this day and age it's hard to kind of force this onto an exhibition system, just like forcing independent films, for instance, will be unfair on an exhibition system. So while I understand why, I understand the pressures, I don't know if this is the best way to do it.
Staying a political shape in the sense of Shobha can have her own opinion and how she's been
Oh, I have no idea about that actually. I've not been reading about it. I just feel that a lot of kinds of cinema do need support. But whether forcing an exhibition system to do it is the right way, I don't know. I don't have the answer to that.
किरण, आमिर हमेशा नए लुक और नए लुक अपनाते रहते हैं, स्टाइल चाहते हैं. आप इस फिल्म के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. I don't think he's fully there yet. अभी तो वो काफ़ी on the way हैं to the final look. पर हमने जो टेस्ट देखे हैं ऑफिस में, ही इज़ लुकिंग वेरी गुड, और ये कहानी बहुत स्पेशल है, और आई थिंक उनका वो जो किरदार बना रहे हैं वो भी काफ़ी नया है उनके लिए, एज ऑलवेज. थैंक यू.
Something special of the new trend starting in Bollywood? What
It's got nothing to do with the new trend. I love Moglas, and I thought the only way of having the perfume is by wearing it.
Oh, very good one. Have you watched the trailer, sir? How did you find it?
You haven't watched
No, I have not watched it yet. I'm going to watch the film.
Thank you.
Shabana ma'am, Javed sir, also we would want to know from you that with the new law that is being made regarding Marathi cinema that's going to be showcased during the prime time, what is your reaction from the both of you?
I think out of five screens, if on one screen, when Marathi picture is shown 6 to 9, that is not end of the world. There is no problem with that. But I believe that this is not enough. Marathi cinema is progressing on its own, no thanks to anybody. They have made wonderful films recently. Recently, Court has come, and so many pictures like Shwaz and so many films. But the government should, at the same time, from 6 to 9 show, they should exempt entertainment tax also. That is how they will help. Not only putting it in 6 to 9 show, but the government should not take any entertainment tax. One. Besides that, I believe that government has asked the multiplex to do this, but what they are doing themselves, they should make small theatres for Marathi pictures in all the talukas of Maharashtra, where the film should be shown, and no Marathi film should be charged entertainment tax.
Shabana ma'am, your reaction to the same?
I haven't read the law, so I cannot really comment on it. I think it is heartwarming that the government feels that we should encourage Marathi cinema, because Marathi cinema is doing extremely well, and all cinemas can do with a little help from the government. But I really have to read the law before I can really say the pros and the cons.
Right, and sir, ma'am, also the government is actually upset with Shobha Devi commented saying that it's actually forcefully enforced on the people of Maharashtra, that something of this sort of thing made.
One should not. People in a free society, people will have all kinds of opinions, and there is no need to get upset about it. But the government has asked the multiplexes to do something for Marathi cinema. I'm asking the government to do something for themselves also by exempting them by entertainment tax. 6 to 9 Marathi film, no entertainment tax.
First, I'm watching it for the first time. Very excited. Amir sir has personally invited me, so I was like, I have to come and see this movie for sure. Hearing some really good things about it, so I'm going to go now. I think it's going to start very soon. That's really nice to hear. I think she's a terrific actress. So looking forward to seeing her again. So yeah.
Also, Shraddha, there's a new law being enforced, by the government saying that the Marathi film should be showcased in multiplexes from 6 to 9 p.m. and that's like a compulsory thing that's been made. How would you react to that as an actor?
I've actually not heard about this also, so I wouldn't be able to comment on this. I think it's correct to comment on something only when you're well informed about it, so I'm not aware
It's
of
actually
it.
quite simple. In every multiplex from the 6 to 9 slot,
Yeah.
the prime time, there will be a Marathi film that has to be showcased.
It's cool. I think it's great. I mean, if that is, I'm half Maharashtrian also, so I'm all for Marathi cinema. And fingers crossed, one day even I'll do a Marathi film. I mean, I think that'd be interesting also.
How's ABC shaping up now?
Really good. It's made me all slim and trim, and going to see the promo. Really, 24th of April, the promo is going to be out. So hope you guys enjoy. See you guys. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन मुझे बड़ी खुशी महसूस हो रही है आज कि मुझे ये मौका मिला है मार्गरीटा विद अ स्ट्रॉ का ट्रेलर रिलीज़ करने के लिए। ये फ़िल्म मैंने देखी क्योंकि मेरी पत्नी किरण जी ने ये फ़िल्म देखी और उन्होंने बेहद पसंद आई। इतनी पसंद आई उनको कि उन्होंने मेरा जीना आराम कर दिया। वो रोज़ कहती थी कब देखोगे कब देखोगे कब देखोगे। तो अल्टीमेटली मैंने वक्त निकाल के फ़िल्म देखी और मैं सोचा था इतनी क्या ख़ास होगी यार फिल्म। तो जब मैंने फ़िल्म देखी आई वाज जस्ट ब्लोन है। इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाई है सोनाली ने, इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाई है। ये फ़िल्म आपका दिल जीत लेती है। इसमें आपको हर रंग मिलेंगे। हर एक डिपार्टमेंट ने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है। हर एक आर्टिस्ट ने बड़ा अच्छा काम किया है और मुझे बड़ा गर्व महसूस होता है कि हम हमारी हिंदुस्तानी फ़िल्म इतनी कमाल की फ़िल्म हम बना सकते हैं। हमारे यंग डायरेक्टर्स जैसे सोनाली हैं इतनी बेहतरीन फिल्म बना सकती हैं। ये सचमुच एक बहुत ही फ़क्र की बात है हम सब के लिए। और मैं वाईकॉम 18 को और सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने इस फिल्म को सपोर्ट किया और इस किस्म के सिनेमा को हमें और बढ़ावा देना चाहिए। ये हमारी कोशिश रहनी चाहिए। सो विद दीज फ्यू वर्ड्स आईड लाइक टू शो यू ऑल द ट्रेलर एंड मुझे बेसब्री से इंतज़ार है कि कब आप लोग फिल्म देख पाएंगे। आज तो हम सिर्फ गेट सक्ड इनटू इट। तो चलिए विदाउट फर्दर डू आई लाइक टू इनवाइट सोनाली। सोनाली प्लीज़ जॉइन अस, जो इस फिल्म की डायरेक्टर हैं।
Thank you so much, Amir. I can't tell you how deeply grateful and honored I am, because as you know that if I had to choose anybody, not just in our country, but in the world, and I told you this when you watched it, to present my film, to present the first look to the country of the film, I would choose you, because I feel you not just stand for what is best in Indian cinema as an actor and as a producer and as a director, but also you've shown that with the issues you stand for in the program you've done. And some of the things have intersected with our film on sexuality and disability. So I'm really, really over the moon when you said you could make time. And it's very generous of you to make the time and come here for my film. So thank you for that.
It's an honor, pleasure.
So I'd like to start by introducing everybody who's worked on the film and bring them up here before we start the official press conference. It's really, really fantastic and exciting that so many of them are here. I'd like to start with the person without whom I couldn't have done this film, who's the co-writer, co-director, and the producer of the film, Nilesh Maniyar. So I'd like to start by inviting Prasoon Joshi, our lyricist. Sound designer, Rasool Pukuti. Rasool and I have worked on all our films together, Amu and Margherita with a Straw. Music composer, Mikey McCleary. my editor Monisha Baldava, costume designer Niharika Bhasin, I'd also like to call our co-producers. Of course, it was an honor that Viacom 18 partnered with Ishan Talkies, and they've been with me right from the beginning, right from the stage of the script to bring this film forward to the country and to release it, and that's just thrilling and exciting. So Ajit, will you be coming back on stage? So for me, the two screenings that were the most scary and important for me were showing it to Ajit and then Amir. And with Ajit, really so, because with Ajit, I don't know Ajit like I know Amir's taste. So I felt Amir is likely to like it, and especially he doesn't want to fight with Kiran, so he's really likely to like it. But with Ajit, I don't know Ajit, and when I joined with Viacom, I didn't know, and I remember when he walked in, I was just terrified. And I was watching him watch it, and he was laughing and crying, just the way Amir did when he watched it, and at the end he came and hugged me and he said, "It's the best film I've seen," and I'll never forget that moment. Thank you, Ajit. But this film couldn't have been made with two very, very important people who are the co-producers of the film. Like, it takes an army to make a film, and it wasn't just enough to have the studio. So I'm really thrilled and honored to have with us from Pune our two co-producers, Ravinder Jakotia and Mr. Dharmesh from Cool Homes. And the most important co-producer for this film, who's also my uncle, from the organization Adapt, Able Disabled All People Together, Mr. Satya Loor. We thought a lot about how we would cast this film and whether we'd be able to actually pull it off. It was a really scary decision. I felt that if I can't find that right actor to play Laila, I'm going to not make this film, because it was so important that that character, Laila, be able to pull off. And while you're watching this film, you don't realize that she's actually an able-bodied actor. And to pull that off is something so difficult. Nilesh was the casting director as well, and Kalki was his very first choice. And I told Kalki that, you'll need to do an audition. And if you can even give me a jhalak, 10% of that role in that audition, and if you can commit to working for 3 to 6 months, then we should partner to do this. And she was the one person in India who really gave that jhalak, as well as understood that it's not enough to have talent, but you need to have commitment and hard work and perseverance to pull off a role like this. It's not surprising that at the Talent Black Nights Film Festival, Eddie Redmayne got the Best Actor for Theory of Everything, who won the Oscar, and Kalki got Best Actress. If India could participate in the Oscars, I have no doubt that it would be Kalki who would have been answering that acceptance speech at the Oscars. So please help me in welcoming Kalki Koechlin. Kalki Koechla. It's pronounced Koechla. Kalki Koechla. Revati was really sad that she couldn't join us today, and she's hopefully will be there before the release. She's a very, very important person in this film. But I'm thrilled to have two of my other actors here who are also important in the film. First of all, character playing Khanum, Shayoni, who we're actually launching in this film, Shayoni Gupto. She's just been absolutely brilliant, and internationally, just as everyone couldn't believe it that Kalki didn't have cerebral palsy, nobody could believe that Shayoni was actually sighted and not visually impaired. And Hussain Dalal, who plays Dhruv. Any other cast and crew are here of Margarita, please come up on stage. Atika Chauhan, Hindi dialogue writer, Vikram Nath Gupta, first AD, Joy Barua, guest composer. I'm sorry, I can't see. And Virginia Holmes, makeup. We couldn't have done it without you, Virginia. Anyone else? Okay, thank you all so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, can we have a round of applause for all of them? We will now begin with the Q&A. Ladies and gentlemen, requesting Mr. Amir Khan, Shonali Bose, Kalki Koechla, Ajit Andhare, Rasul Pokutti, Nilesh Manyar, Prasoon Joshi, Mikey McCleary, Ravindra Jakotia, and Dharmesh Katani to please stay back on stage. And Shayoni, please stay back. Yeah, requesting you. You can now ask your questions, introduce yourselves first, raise your hand so that we can pass the mic to you, and go ahead and enjoy this lovely question and answer session.
पहले आप किस तरीके से किस मनोस्थिति में गए थे कि यार ये फिल्म कैसी होगी, और फिल्म देखने के बाद आपका क्या रिएक्शन था?
चूँकि किरण ने इतनी तारीफ़ की थी और किरण के टेस्ट पे मुझे बड़ा भरोसा है, तो इतनी तारीफ़ ही की थी तो मुझे लगा था कि यकीनन अच्छी फिल्म होगी। और वाकई जब मैंने फिल्म देखी तो आई वाज जस्ट फ्लॉर्ड विद द फिल्म। ये फिल्म आपको हंसाती है, रुलाती है, आपको सोचने पर मजबूर करती है और आखिर में आपको एक सेलिब्रेटरी मूड में छोड़ती है। इट ऑल्सो इंस्पायर्स यू, इट मेक्स यू फील गुड, यू नो। इट्स वेरी लवली स्टोरी, वेरी वेल मेड फिल्म, बहुत ही बेहतरीन फिल्म मुझे लगी। और बहुत कम फिल्में हैं मुझे लगता है हिंदुस्तान में जो हम बनाते हैं जिसमें कि जो हमारे मेन लीड कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं वो उन्हें कोई तकलीफ़ होती है, जिस्मानी तौर पे कोई तकलीफ़ होती है, जिसे आम ज़बान में हम डिसेबल्ड कहते हैं या डिफरेंटली एबल्ड कहते हैं। मुझे बल्कि कई डिफरेंटली एबल्ड लोगों ने ये सवाल पूछा है कि आप क्यों ऐसी फ़िल्म नहीं बनाते ऐसे किरदारों के ऊपर, ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स के ऊपर। तो जब मैंने ये फ़िल्म देखी तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ वाकई आखिर किसी ने ये फ़िल्म बनाई है। और ये फ़िल्म जो आपके लीड प्रोटैगनिस्ट हैं वो डिसेबल्ड हैं या डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं, लेकिन उनमें जो जज्बा है वो बहुत ही कमाल का जज्बा है। तो बहुत ही कमाल की फ़िल्म बनाई है। तो आई थिंक जो आम तौर पे जो हमारे समाज में जो लोग हैं जो डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं उनको उनके हीरोज़ कौन हो सकते हैं, उनके लिए कौन किरदार हैं, उनके किरदार भी हम पर्दे पे देखें, तो ये एक फ़िल्म है जिसमें ऐसा हमें मौका मिलता है।
You have handled the subject very well from what I can see, from the trailer. What is the census certificate that you are hoping to get for this?
I think UA, Ajit. Ajit told me that. We got a UA for our trailer with no problem.
But no, given the new censor board issues that have been cropping up, do you see you getting a UA for this? Or
I'm not experienced enough to answer this question.
Amir, can you answer?
See, as she said, we've already got a UA for the trailer. That's why the trailer is in front of you, and we will try and get a UA for the film. But if it requires that we compromise, the core of the film to get a UA, we will not do that. And for that, if we have to get an A but still be true to the film, I think we are very clear we will do that, because this is a film that should express itself the way it is.
This film has come up Dum Laga Ke Haisha, and censor has muted this word lesbian from the film. And since your film also depicts a this kind of relationship, what do you have to say about it? And do you think that really censor is going to create problems for the giving you UA certificate? And if censor comes up with something like this with your film also? And Amir, I would also like to have answer from you also on this as a filmmaker.
I mean, the thing is, how can we predict what the censor board will do? So we might as well wait and see what they come out with firstly. And I believe that list, they had issued a list of names, and after that, that's been retracted. So I'm not worried about things like that. And I think one has to just wait and see. Personally, I'm anti-censorship. I feel there should be a rating system. I feel it's ridiculous that we are infantilized in this country in this way. My first film, Amu, was censored, and it was censored because there was no sex and violence in the film. They said, why should young people know a history that is better buried and forgotten? Because that film was on a genocide. So I'm very strongly against this kind of censorship. As to what this censor board will do, I don't know. I'm going to hope for the best, and let's see what they come up with.
Yeah, well, I don't think we should try and preempt what the censor certification will be and how the members will react. I think we should allow them to, see it in an unbiased manner without any pressure. But I feel that, in a country like India, which is a democracy where we have freedom of speech, it will be quite difficult to not allow a film, on unreasonable grounds. I have faith in our democracy. I feel it will be very difficult to allow unreasonable things to happen, and it may take a little longer. I think you'll have to go through the procedure of perhaps even it's happened in the past. You can approach the court, the courts of law, and they can also take a decision on this and help you, because I think freedom of speech is a very important right that we have as individuals living in India in a democracy, and I'm sure the justice system will protect that right. I have no doubt about that. So I think the film is a very beautiful film. It's a very creative film. It's a very beautiful film. And in my opinion, I see absolutely no reason why they should have any problems.
Actually, today morning we spoke to Mr. Mukesh Bhatt, and he said that Anushka's film NH10 it had gone for censors yesterday, and the censor board has refused certification for it because apparently there are some cuss words in the movie. So, and they had this meeting with the INB minister some time back, and he had said that all that 28 words won't be applicable, and I'm not in favor of that. But somehow it's not working. So, like a movie like NH10, Anushka Sharma may be going to High Court for appealing to it. So. There are still things over.
Yeah, so I think that this is probably a time and a phase that we are passing through. But I think all of us who believe in freedom of speech should come together. I completely agree with what Shonali said earlier. I'm also not in favor of censorship. I'm in favor of the rating system. So in a democracy, I don't think I should be told what I can say, what I can't say. But you can certainly see my film. The censor board can see my film and say that the kind of material that you have made is not appropriate for people below this age, for children below this age. So you can say, 12 and below, or 12 and above can watch it, or 15 and above can watch it, or 18 and above can watch it, which makes it an adult film. So I don't think that adults in our country need to be told, need to be kept away from material. They will themselves choose what they want to see and what they don't want to see. An adult person will decide what he wants to see and what he doesn't want to see. But so I think that's what I believe. And if we do as an industry, if we do face it as a problem, then certainly I'm quite sure that all of us will come together and face that
because
together.
It is unprecedented that a movie has been denied certification. You can tell that these things are there and maybe you should just rework. So these are different times somehow. This has never happened, I think.
Yes, it is rather unusual. I'm also surprised to hear that a film has been denied certification. That is extremely, extremely unusual and perhaps unprecedented. So if that's happening, that's very unfortunate. And certainly we should come together and approach the authorities, which we believe will listen to reason.
What are the other things that Kiran likes and you cannot refuse her?
There is no such thing that I cannot refuse. That I can refuse rather.
On your fingertips, could you name them?
What are the things I can't refuse? Well, actually, Kiran is a lovely person. Yeah, it's very difficult to refuse her.
Definitely, yeah.
It's extremely difficult to refuse anything she says. So I quite enjoy listening to her actually, because most of the time it's for my own good.
My question is for Kalki. What do you take back from the journey of Laila, being with the character for so long, portraying it?
Well, before I started the film, I knew nothing about cerebral palsy except for one film I'd seen, My Left Foot by Daniel Day-Lewis. And it opened my eyes to how little education we all have. And I'm a pretty privileged, educated person in the country. And I have had very little exposure to how to be around somebody who's disabled, to know just basic how do you behave around them. You feel awkward, you don't know what to ask them and things like that. So this whole process really opened my eyes, meeting Malini Chib, who's Shonali's cousin and who has cerebral palsy. And then going to ADAPT and working there. It just made me realize, the basics of human, that we're all human beings and that we need to understand each other, and the only way to do that is to ask questions and talk to each other face to face. And this film really, what I love about this film is it doesn't take disability or sexuality and make it this big issue. It says this is how life is. So what? Get on with it. You still get on with life. And Laila's character has this sort of beautiful sense of life and a way of getting up every time and making a joke out of things, and that's something that Malini Chib also really has in her life, and I think she was a huge inspiration for Shonali and for me, just because this attitude which you see already in the trailer, but you'll see a lot more in the film of Laila's love for life basically. So yeah, I learned a lot from the film.
And I believe, it has gone to the film festivals and must be in the process of getting properly released in various other markets, overseas markets. Now they also have a certification system. How do you think, what kind of certification do you expect for the film in the US markets, for instance. Has it been released in the US market by any chance?
No, not yet. But there, of course, it's just a rating system. But I wouldn't expect an R. R is the equivalent of the A certificate here. I don't think it would be an
No,
R
R
rating.
is not equivalent to A certificate here. Actually, 17 plus is equivalent to A certificate here. But then there have been films like, Blue is the Warmest Color. They have not been released. I mean, they are also about lesbian relationship. It is a Palme d'Or winner film at Cannes, but it hasn't been released in US. It is not getting any certification.
Yeah. So let me
Is
just
that because
clarify.
of certification?
Yeah, they also have this rating system which is akin to certification in the sense that unless you have certain ratings, suppose you have above 17 rating, cinema halls won't allow non-adults to enter the cinema hall. They enforce it very strictly, not the way we do it here, where even the kids can go in for adult cinema and nobody stops them. So they're very, very strict about this. The exhibitors in US and everywhere, I mean, whatever is my experience, and I have some experience in this area, they're very, very strict about it.
Are you saying that an American film is not released because it's not been passed by the censors over there?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that an American
Acha, you're not
film
saying that, huh?
has to have a rating. If the
Yeah,
rating
so
is
to
above
answer
17,
your question, sir, so
if the rating is above 17, the exhibitors will not allow non-adults to enter the cinema hall.
Yes. So just to
which is not enforced
got
that way here
got
in
it.
India.
May I answer? So with Margarita with the Straw, firstly, that's not a right parallel with Blue is the Warmest Color. I mean, you haven't seen the film. It's actually not a lesbian film. It's not that kind of film at all. And Blue is the Warmest Color, the problem for its release is not about certification, just to correct you on that. I live there. With Margarita with the Straw, it's interesting that it's actually been selected by high schools, by teachers, and requesting me to go and speak, and this is 8th grade onwards, where they would like their students to see the film. So I'm very confident there's not going to be a problem with certification. We have sold to North America, to Japan, South Korea, Spain, various other territories. We opened at the Toronto Film Festival, where it was our world premiere. We won the NetBack Jury Award. The response from young people and from parents wanting their kids, actually, teenage kids, to see it has been overwhelming and amazing. The way the youth has responded to this film, not just youth of different countries, but our own Indian youth who live abroad. So that has been fantastic.
Just want to add to this कि हम लोगों को पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि देखिए आपको मुझे एक चीज़ बस कहनी है यहाँ पे क्योंकि जब सेंसरशिप की बात आती है और हम लोग सोनाली से भी सवाल कर रहे हैं और इस बार पे बात सवाल करते हैं तो कहीं एक अंदर से एक लगता है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग चोरी करके अपनी फिल्म निकालना चाहते हैं और जो फिल्म किसी के लिए मुनासिब नहीं उसे दिखाना चाहते हैं। ऐसी मंशा ये एक गैर जिम्मेदार लोगों की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, ये क्रिएटिव लोगों की इंडस्ट्री है जो अपनी बात कहना चाहते हैं। उसमें गैर जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, उसमें कहीं ये नहीं है कि अगर सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाए तो निकाल लें, यूए निकाल लो, वो निकाल लो, ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसे लोग नहीं हैं ये लोग। तो कहीं मुझे लगता है कि इंटेंट को ना क्वेश्चन करके ये उसकी प्योरिटी को समझें कि एक फिल्म मेकर जो है अच्छी नीयत से वो समाज को बिगाड़ने के का एक झंडा लेकर नहीं निकला है अपने हाथ में कि चलो समाज को बिगाड़ते हैं, बच्चों को बुरी चीज़ें दिखाते हैं। ऐसा एक मुझे लगता है जब भी हम सवाल करते हैं कहीं तो ऐसी एक नीयत सी दिखाई देती है। देखिए इस पर एक चर्चा होनी चाहिए, इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर ये ऐसा वक्त आया है कि ये चर्चाएं हों तो इट्स वेरी गुड इन डेमोक्रेसी दैट वी आर discussing this, and I think I'm sure if we openly discuss this and we are ready to listen to each other, I think there will be a way out which will be good for us.
She openly spoke to print media saying that about the AIB controversy, that your reaction was more emotional than moralistic. They even speak to the electronic media that...
On some other day.
May I just ask a question related to the film?
See, I think it's very important that we talk about this film today.
Perfect.
I'm sure you'll have many opportunities to ask me, and whatever I've answered you must have read.
And in that festival, there was a young jury where kids from 15-year-old to 18-year-old were on jury, 20 kids. And they unanimously chose Margarita with a Straw for that jury award.
Wow.
So I hope that answers the question.
When you had written the script and when both the actors saw it, I just want to know the first reaction on reading such a strong script.
Let the actors answer.
I want your reaction from their reactions along with yours as to how you thought a person would react to your script as well.
I mean, I love the script. Shonali emailed it to me, I think, and I immediately wrote back to her and said that I love the script and it scares the hell out of me that you even think I can do this, and I need to know whether I can do this as well. So that audition was probably more for me than for you, Shonali. And no, I mean, it's never discussed. This story of a girl who falls in love with herself. That's what the film is about. At the end of the day, it's about somebody who's accepting herself, and it's a normal teenage story. It's a regular story of a girl going out and with all your hormones going haywire and all of that, and discovering what it is to be awkward, and then finally making mistakes, and then finally growing up, coming of age. That's what the film is about, and it was beautiful. Yeah.
Not even for a moment did I feel weird about the whole concept, because there was a lot of respect that I had for Shonali after watching Ammu, and I had watched it in college. She'd come with the film. But after I read the script, not even for a second did I even think that, how will I be able to? Yes, will I be able to as an actor to pull this off, as it's a very, very difficult and challenging character to play, but not what you're asking. No, never did it bother me. And also, you have to completely depend on your director, and you have to completely trust the people who are trying to make the film, and that trust was completely there on Shonali, Nilesh, and Anne, who was the DOP of the film and has done a tremendous job. So it's the representation and the treatment, and the story was so beautiful that, and once you see the film, you'll realize that it's the story of Laila and these people, these enormously strong women, the three women that are in the film. It's their story. So you won't even think about these things, once you've seen the film. Thank you.
Just to say about the script for me, we were very privileged and lucky. I was the first Indian to win the Sundance Mahindra Global Filmmaker Award, which was given to the screenplay. And people like Shabana, Shyam Benegal, Anurag had done the screening to choose this, and then Sundance chose that from the top three. They chose this. And I remember when I went to the Sundance Writers Lab, I felt that this is the Indian winner. Like what's going to happen now? Like maybe they'll say some superficial things. And I had already spent a year with Nilesh writing this when I went there, and they tore it to bits. And they felt that I was not in it the way I was with Ammu, that I wasn't deep in the character's skin. It felt very much that I was looking from the outside, and I instantly realized and recognized that because I was writing about my sister Malini, that it was very external. And after that lab, I went even deeper and wrote from a very, very deep place, and really owned it, and wrote from my own experiences in life and my own pain and loss and love and everything. And I loved that the NetPack jury called it that, a love letter to life, because it is my love letter, and it's my love letter to India. And I'm most excited to bring this deeply personal story and film and script of mine to India.
आपसे सवाल है कि जैसे देखा जाए कि फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड लोग हैं, उनके इमोशन को या सेक्सुअलिटी को आज भी हमारे देश में टैबू का सब्जेक्ट माना जाता है। तो मैं जानना चाहूँगा, फिल्म बनाने के दौरान कितनी तकलीफ़ों का सामना करना पड़ा, कितने चैलेंजेस आपके सामने आए, कितना रिसर्च किया आपने?
So for me, the biggest learning was growing up with my sister Malini, who's just 1 year younger than me. And when we were teenagers, I remember that I felt very conscious that I couldn't date anybody because she was more romantic than me, and she always wanted to fall in love and was always surprised when men looked at her that they weren't actually in love with her just because they were being kind to her, and it broke my heart more than it broke hers. And I was like, I can't date anybody because she's the one who wants to date somebody more. And then, I went to America to study and moved on in life and forgot about that. And when I was 40 and she was 39, we had met in London. We were having a drink together. And, the title actually, just to divert for a second, when I was writing the first draft of the film, at the end of writing that draft, it just came up with this title, Margarita with a Straw. And one of the reasons is that Malini has always outdrunk me. This is one of the myths we also have about the disabled. You don't think that the disabled can have a drink, leave alone have sex. And she's always outdrunk me. And when we'd go out drinking, And I would, actually I'm not a big drinker, I would say, हाँ एक नींबू पानी और एक whiskey soda, इस plastic cup में whiskey soda डालना वो straw के साथ. Because you don't have really grown up nice cups for the disabled, so then these plastic children's sippy cups. And the thought came to me, and you need a straw because otherwise she can't sip it. And so the idea came to me that a drink with a straw, and I came up with margarita because my son said, you know, don't say this in public. It's really embarrassing because it's a cliche, but I'm going to say it. But basically, you know, when life hands you lemons, you can be bitter and sour, or you can make lemon juice. And in my case, I made a margarita when life handed me lemons and raised a toast. But Malini and I were having a margarita, and I said, Malini, what do you want for your 40th birthday? It's the best birthday ever. And she said, and sometimes her speech comes out crystal clear, and this was one of those moments. And she said, I just want to have sex. And it hit me really hard, actually, because I had not thought about my sister's sexuality. And she wrote a brilliant book, One Little Finger, because she typed it with one little finger. And in that book, she actually wrote that it's actually family members and carers who the most overlook the sexuality of the disabled. It made me very conscious as a sister that I had also forgotten that. And that was the spark for me, for the story of looking at the sexuality of the disabled. I didn't really need to research that as much because I've grown up with Malini and many other young people because my entire family has been in the movement for disability. So I knew how they think and feel. It's just I had neglected that to think about that for her, to do something about it. But I was very aware of how it would play out, how I would write it, and how I would actually end up directing it. So I think that part wasn't hard for me at all.
Yeah, what sort of release strategy are you planning for Margarita with a Straw? Because we've seen in the past a movie like Lunchbox. It's become one of the most biggest commercial success internationally, and even in India it's done exceedingly well because the belief was there. So what sort of release strategy are you having for Margarita with a Straw, both in India as well as abroad?
One word, honesty. I think we're not trying to do anything. We're not trying to change the animal. You know, if it's a giraffe, we're not making it into a penguin. You know, it's a tall animal. It can see itself, it can express itself, and we would present it the way it is. So, you know, there was a thought that, you know, how can we continue with this title? Should we have a Hindi name and so on and so forth? But I think we are placing that entire hope, expectation, and some sort of burden on the audience that we are ready to take this risk. Are you ready to look at this cinema? Are you ready to appreciate this cinema? And I think, therefore, the strategy really reflects that. It's going to be true to the film. It's going to be for the audience that it is meant to be. And I think, to me, the film will speak for itself. And it's the word of mouth which will really drive this. See, I think let's leave that because that's something that gets decided closer to the release. You know, depends on what are the other things in the theaters and so on and so forth. But let's just say that we will take it to anybody and everybody who is the audience for this kind of a film. Yeah.
लाइला को पसंद है मार्गरीटा, वो जाती हैं खरीदने, शॉपकीपर से मांगती हैं. इन जनरल आप कैसे जाते हैं रात में और क्या खरीदना पसंद करते हैं?
इन जनरल मैं कहाँ जाता हूँ? रात को तो मैं घर पे रहता हूँ भैया. रात को तो मैं घर पे ही रहता हूँ.
Do you think that there are many actresses and actors in Bollywood who are willing to take as much risks as Kalki in a role? As much risk as her?
I don't think though, I find Kalki is unique, but not because she's French. She's really more Indian than me. She's lived in this country longer. She's born in Pondicherry. You know, she's completely Indian to the core. I don't think it's her Frenchness that makes her. I think she's an amazing person. And as an actor, yes, it's very true that Kalki is really willing to push herself, to take risks, but also to do that hard work. Amir as an actor is also one of those people these are actors who we die to direct as directors because they spend months into getting into the skin of a character. So, you know, we're sitting here with three such actors who believe in that kind of work, and I'm very honored and privileged to be sitting with three such talented actors as Shiny, Kalki, and Amir, who believe in that kind of work. And I feel as directors, such actors exist in our country. I think what happens with Bollywood is that we don't push the boundaries enough. Directors, or for whatever reason, producers, wrong notions of audiences, don't push those boundaries enough and don't give our actors those challenges that they're up for, I think. And it's a changing time. It's an exciting time to be directors and actors and filmmakers in India.
You are always, Kalki, you are always trying to push the envelope in terms of whatever projects you're doing. And here, somewhere you're talking about a woman's sexuality. And that topic, somehow, for the nation has always been controversial with the Nirbhaya rape case, with the rapist coming on board and talking about why, you know, he would rape that girl. And he would probably kill her after doing that, and he was justifying his move. For someone like you who is playing such strong roles on the screen, what do you have to say about that? There's been a huge parliamentary discussion about this as well. It's a big political issue, and somewhere you're trying to, dabble in that space through your roles as well, especially this one.
I don't think the two things are related, if you ask me. So I don't know how your connection, drawing the
Just
connection.
talking about a woman's sexuality,
I
and
think the
that's
film
always
is actually,
been
that is one of the aspects of the film. The film is many, many things. That's just one of the aspects.
I really don't think there's anything controversial about a woman's sexuality. Really, it's the most basic thing.
No, but with the Nirbhaya rape case,
But that's
being
not this
talked
film.
about.
We're not talking
Yeah,
about that.
no, but I want to ask you about that since
That's
you
another, maybe another time when we're talking
All right,
about
thank
on
you.
Women's Day when we're talking about that
Thank
issue.
you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have a round of applause for our panel here? And we'd like to take one last photo up before our panel leaves. Please give them a huge round of applause. Margarita with the straw is going to create waves across the country. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you.
Yes, I'm glad that films are being made on such subjects because these are lives that need to be shown to the world about how people with great adversity can also still be one of us. So I think that's great that such subjects are being put.
So have you seen the trailer of the film?
Yes, I've seen the trailer. It's a really nice trailer, and I'm really looking forward to the film. Seems to be a very evocative film. I'm especially looking forward to Kalki's.
Acting ability of Kalki.
So I'm especially looking forward to Kalki's job.
And regarding your professional life, what are you doing? I mean, looking for a movie?
I just shot for a small film called Mo Maya Money in Delhi, and now I don't know next.
It was a big some situation or any other movie, Hollywood movie or any other situation which made you to make this movie like this?
I have a cousin who's a year younger than me, and she has a disability. And I think our myth is that those who are disabled or those who are in a wheelchair can't enjoy life, that they can't have a boyfriend, that they can't date, that they can't have a drink. And that's why it's called Margarita with a straw, that you can have a drink, but you need a straw just for you to have that. So it's like to explore this new territory, that somebody who's disabled can also have a normal romantic life. That we came up with this nice story of a teenager, it's just that the teenager happens to be in a wheelchair. We also got a lot of audience awards competing with Oscar films, the films that were up for the Oscars, because the Oscar competition was going on at that time. And she got one of the Best Actress awards at a festival where the boy who got the Best Oscar for Theory of Everything, Eddie Redmayne, and she got the Best Actress. So it's really an Oscar performance Kalki has given.
And the high point of the film is Amir Khan and Kiran Rao both supporting the film in a major way. Especially Kiran Rao is very impressed with the script of the film and she liked the film and asked Amir to watch it. So what comment do you have to make on it?
Amir and Kiran are enormously generous people who exist in this film industry, and the fact that they came on board, the fact that they love the film so much, that's why they came on board. It's from an attachment to cinema and not, because we personally know them or any such thing. What I love most is that how Amir said that, this is a film that needs to be seen by the whole country because it made me laugh and cry so much. It's so entertaining that I'm going to help you so that everybody in the country go on opening weekend and see the film.
Are you giving a special screening for disabled person? Is there a special screening for a disabled person?
We are keeping not just a special screening, because special screening you feel that it's only for those in wheelchairs. We are preparing a special print for those who are visually impaired, who can't see. Because your thought is that somebody who can't see, how will they see a movie? But they see a movie by hearing it. So we're creating special audio track for them. So for the deaf, the blind and those in wheelchairs, special screening definitely in our second weekend we are planning.
And we do wish that a day arrives when you don't have to do special screenings for disabled people and all our theatres become accessible to disabled people because they, I think, deserve equal right to watch all the films and not just Margarita with a straw.
देखिए I'm very intrigued by the title Margarita with a straw. It's a very interesting title and फिल्म तो मैं देख के बताऊंगा बिकॉज मुझे इसकी कहानी के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है. मुझे बुलाया गया, मैं आया हूँ देखने के लिए. लेकिन आई पर्सनली फील कि काल्की हैज़ दिस पेंचेंट और a proper idea of picking up great roles और उनका एक अपना किरदार होता है, अपना स्टाइल होता है. And I am very intrigued because she's a fine actor and I've always liked her choice of roles. जितनी भी फिल्में मैंने उनकी देखी हैं, her character is very well defined, very well edged. Or there is, I believe, Ranveer is also there in the film. Shonali, I think it's her first film as a director, and I'm looking forward to the film. और देखने के बाद बताऊंगा मार्गरीटा विद स्ट्रॉ क्या होता है. जितना आप लोग क्यूरियस होता है, मैं क्यूरियस हूँ.
सर आपकी बात की जाए, दम लाके हैशा में आपने 90 का म्यूजिकल फिर से दोहराया है, कुमार सानू को लाया है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या फिर से उस तरह का जादू आप दोहराने वाले 90 का जादू?
देखिए उसमें 90s का भी था और कंटेम्प्रेरी सॉन्ग्स भी थे. एक तरफ अगर दर्द करारा जो आज चार्ट्स पर है बहुत ज़बरदस्त, और एक तरफ मोमो के धागे जो बिल्कुल अभी का गाना है. और इसका रिस्पॉन्स टू द म्यूजिक एंड द फिल्म हैज बीन एनॉर्मस. और आई वुड से दैट यशराज फिल्म के साथ मैंने पहली बार काम किया है. शरद हु इज द डायरेक्टर, मनीष शर्मा द प्रोड्यूसर, ऑफ कोर्स आदित्य चोपड़ा. आई एम एक्चुअली ओवर द मून बिकॉज इतनी बड़ी हिट हुई है फिल्म, एंड स्पेशली म्यूजिक को बहुत अच्छा रिकग्निशन मिल रहा है. तो आई थिंक आई वेरी वेरी थ्रिल्ड अबाउट द रिस्पॉन्स टू द म्यूजिक. आपने सवाल पूछा है कि 90s का, मुझे अगर ऐसे सब्जेक्ट मिलते हैं, अब इस सब्जेक्ट का डिमांड था कि 90s का भी म्यूजिक हो और आजकल का भी म्यूजिक हो, तो दोनों का अमैलगमेशन मैंने बहुत मेहनत करके किया है. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक द पीपल हु हैव लव्ड द म्यूजिक एंड लव्ड द सॉन्ग.
तो आगे भी जो सब्जेक्ट एक तरह से तो आप 90 के म्यूजिक रिपीट करेंगे?
आई डिपेंड्स अगर ऐसा फिल्म का सब्जेक्ट होगा. लेकिन लेट मी टेल द पीपल आउट देयर कि मोमो के धागे से आपको अंदाजा तो हो गया होगा कि अगर आज की फिल्में भी जो म्यूजिक बन रही हैं, बड़े बड़े अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स हैं, उनके साथ मैं वैसा म्यूजिक करूँगा. एंड जैसी फिल्म का सब्जेक्ट होगा मैं वैसा म्यूजिक दूंगा. बट हाँ ये भी कहना पड़ेगा कि 90s का म्यूजिक कभी गया नहीं था, वो आज भी लोगों की रोम रोम में है. एंड when पीपल जो रिएक्शन दी है आज टॉप 10 में, यूके के टॉप 10 में, इंडिया में हो, कहीं भी यूके USA कनाडा जाइए, टॉप 10 सॉन्ग्स के अंदर दर्द करारा आता है एंड टॉप 10 सॉन्ग्स के अंदर मोमो के धागे आता है. आई थिंक दैट्स अ वंडरफुल फीलिंग फॉर अन्नू मालिक, फॉर आदित्य चोपड़ा, फॉर यशराज फिल्म एंड फॉर दम लगा के हैशा, एंड एवरीबॉडी कनेक्टेड विद इट.
और 90s की फिल्मों की बात की है तो 60s 70s 80s में शशि कपूर साहब जो थे उन्हें हाल ही में दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड से नवाजा गया था. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे मुझे?
बहुत बड़ी बात है. आई ग्रू अप वाचिंग शशि साहब एंड व्हाट अ ग्रेट बैंड, व्हाट अ ग्रेट परफॉर्मर. और उन्होंने जो काम किया है दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड उनको मिलना ही था. और राइट फ्रॉम द टाइम जब वो छोटे थे, जब हम बहुत छोटे थे और हमने उनका किरदार देखा था आवारा में, यू नो दैट राज साहब का जो बचपन उन्होंने प्ले किया था, वहाँ से लेकर टू ऑल माय फेवरेट फिल्म. और अचार कितनी फिल्में हैं लेकिन पता नहीं म्यूजिकली शर्मिली की याद आती है. एंड उनका मैन एंड जब जब फूल खिले अचानक याद आते हैं, यू नो, म्यूजिकली. So I think Shashi Kapoor Saab has deserved it, and God give him long life. He's a super human being, a great actor, and one of the nicest person I ever met in my life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Part of this movie, when the script was proposed to you, how come for you to act in the movie at first?
I think I loved the script immediately. I thought it was a very original and beautiful script. You know, very rarely do we see a mainstream story about disability, and it is a mainstream story. It's full of laughter and as well as drama. And I think I always loved it. It was just I was terrified at the beginning that I would be able to do this. Would I be able to do this? That was my question.
What will you be part of the movie?
Actually the same. I was blown by the script and the concept, and it's a very sensitive film. It's also a very fun film, and it's a very difficult balance to make, and I think the film manages to. And Shonali, the director, is absolutely fantastic, and she's managed to make it. And I was again very, I was not sure if I can pull off the part, because it does have a disability. I play the character of a blind person, and so yeah, but I think the film's turned out really well. Everybody's loving the film, and the rest is for you guys to watch it.
It's not an easy role to play. What kind of research do you do to play that role?
I was introduced to Malini Chip, who's my the cousin of my director, Malini Chip, and she has cerebral palsy, so I worked very closely with her. I got to live with her, follow her around, and then I worked with her physiotherapist, speech therapist. I also did a workshop with Adil Hussain, the actor, working on the physicality and the psychology. And I spent a lot of time in the wheelchair. The essence of my practice was that, spending 1 hour a day for 6 months on the wheelchair.
Amir and Kiran are putting the movie in a big way. So is this a big move for the film?
I mean, yeah, I think it's wonderful that they're promoting the film and they're here because they love the film, and it's helped us in a big way. Yeah.
Thank you.
मैं अभी कुछ नहीं कह सकती हूँ, मैंने बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें सुनी है इसके बारे में, और मैं नॉर्मली ट्रायल पे नहीं जाती हूँ, आप मुझे कभी नहीं देखेंगे, बट आई हैव टू कम फॉर दिस. सोनाली इज अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड. I think we should encourage movies like this. She's a co-woman director, so I'm here to show my support for the film.
मैं बॉलीवुड सो अप्रिशिएट मसाला काइंड ऑफ फिल्म. हाँ जी. ये एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिल्म एक पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट ला रहा है बॉलीवुड में.
ये पता नहीं एक्सपेरिमेंटल है, ये मे बी वेरी एंटरटेनिंग फॉर ऑल यू नो. अभी तक मैंने देखी नहीं है फिल्म, लेकिन हर टाइप की फिल्म आनी चाहिए एंड ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ फिल्म शुड डू वेल, क्योंकि अभी हमारा मामला डावाडोल है बॉलीवुड में.
जितनी भी फिल्में बनाई हैं सारी एंटरटेनमेंट से भरी हुई गाने होते हैं. आप ट्राई करेंगे कि इस तरह की
वाई नॉट. अगर मुझे अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट मिलेगी ऐसी और मुझे लगेगा कि ये बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, मैं इस पर बना सकती हूँ, तो मैं ज़रूर बनाऊंगी. लेकिन क्योंकि क्रिटिक्स चाहते हैं कि मैं ऐसी फिल्म बनाऊँ, वो प्रेशर से कभी मैं नहीं बनाऊंगी. इफ आई लव द स्क्रिप्ट आई श्योरली मेक इट. हाँ, मैं जाके भी आ गई हूँ. हाँ, तुम्हें चला. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू अभिषेक बच्चन जी लिख रहे हैं. वो उन्होंने कहा है, अब उसका जिम्मा उन्होंने लिया है, वो लिखेंगे पार्ट 2, और मुझे स्क्रिप्ट पसंद आएगी तो हम बनाएंगे हैप्पी न्यू ईयर पार्ट 2. नहीं, मैं डायरेक्ट करूँगी. ठीक है, थैंक यू.
या फ्री में दिखाना पिक्चर, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. पहले तो ये क्योंकि कल की जब ये फिल्म शूट कर रही थी तो बहुत मैं और मेरी बीवी के साथ डिस्कस करती थी. वो बहुत एक्साइटेड थी, बहुत काम किया है उसने, बहुत तैयारी की है उसने. तो प्रोसेस में हमने देखा है कि कितना उसने परिश्रम किया है. तो आई थिंक मैं बहुत टाइम से एक्साइटेड था इस फिल्म को लेकर, लेकिन बहुत लोगों ने जिन्होंने इस फिल्म को पहले एक रफ गाइड वगैरह देखा था, उन्होंने कहा था कि बहुत अच्छा काम किया है कल्कि ने, बहुत बढ़िया फिल्म है. तो राधिका, आपने बदलापुर में इतना रोल प्ले किया, एंटरटेनिंग रोल प्ले किया, इस तरह के फ्यूचर में अगर ऑफर आएगा तो कर सकती हैं आपने?
क्या फिल्म है, अगर सब्जेक्ट इंटरेस्टिंग होगा तो ऑफ कोर्स आई विल बी विलिंग टू डू इट.
और एक्टिंग स्किल्स क्या कहेंगे कल्कि के, किस तरह के?
Actually, I'm very excited to watch this film because I think a subject like this has not been attempted many times before in films, and at least I haven't seen many. Kalki and Shari both are one very dear friends, but secondly extraordinary actresses, and I've heard so much about their performance that they're so good, so I cannot actually wait to watch it. I haven't seen it yet.
आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, एक पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट हो रहा है व्यूअर्स का, अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स को वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, हंटर हो या ये फिल्म हो, वो सेम मसाला फिल्म देखने से अब लगता है कुछ भी. आप क्या कमेंट कर देंगे इस बारे में?
ये हर किसी का टेस्ट अलग होता है ना, तो ये तो बेहतरीन बात है कि हर अलग अलग किस्म की फिल्में बन रही है, और हमारी जो ऑडियंस है उसके लिए एक टेस्ट भी दिखा रही है, तो हम जैसे के लिए ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. आपका टेस्ट क्या है? हंटर तो मार्गरीटा विद द स्ट्रॉ. जी हाँ, मैंने सुनी है अभी बातें. नहीं, it's good. I think it's really good after a long time, you know, films are released, because Hunter 2 साल से मतलब हम बना रहे हैं, तो खुशी तो बहुत है. और ये साल भी बहुत अच्छा रहा है, जो NH10 है, दम लगा के हैशा, बदलापुर, हंटर, मार्गरीटा, कोर्ट. I mean, every 2 weeks there's something amazing to watch, so it's been great. It's good to be a part of that. आप बोलो, आप करोगे?
कास्टिंग कर रहे हैं सन ऑफ पंकज, छोटा सा बच्चा।
थैंक यू
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर और फारा के सारे मूवीज के बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ मैं। लॉस एंजलिस में जब हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का रिलीज हुए फर्स्ट शो पे मैं गई थी, हाउसफुल, अकेले बैठ के मैंने देखा, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा। एंड सो मेरे लिए सच ए ह्यूज ऑनर एंड एक्साइटमेंट टू हैव फारा खान, another woman director, but a huge success in this country. It's so wonderful for women when there's a majorly successful woman director who makes 100 crore films and is part of that 100 crore club.
थैंक यू सोनाली। एंड मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, मैंने अम्मू भी देखी है एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू मार्गरीटा विद अ स्टॉक, क्योंकि इसका बज़ इतना बढ़िया है। जैसे मैं कह रही थी, आई नेवर गो फॉर ट्रायल शोज, वेरी रेयरली, लेकिन सोनाली के लिए सोनाली के लिए वी हैव टू कम एंड वी हैव टू शो आवर सपोर्ट फॉर द मूवी। एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स ड्यूरिंग, जिसने भी देखी है, आमिर का ट्रायल पहले हुआ था, एवरीवन हैज ग्रेट थिंग्स टू से अबाउट द मूवी, सो नाउ वी रियली वांट टू गो एंड सी द मूवी। थैंक यू। नहीं, हम ये फिल्म पूरी कंट्री को दिखाना चाहेंगे।
हाँ, पूरी कंट्री को। अमिताभ बच्चन ने अभी दिल्ली में देखा और अभी हम इंडियन ऑडियंस को दिखाना है। हाँ, अंकल अमित का वो बहुत, उनको वो रो के निकला बाहर वो स्क्रीनिंग से, और
चाहेंगे पूरी कंट्री पैसे खर्चा करके ये फिल्म देखे। फ्री में आप बहुत दिखा लिया आपके साथ।
मैं कह रही थी अमिताभ बच्चन ने भी देखा, जय बच्चन ने भी देखा, उनको बहुत पसंद आया और सच में अभी मैं इंडियन ऑडियंस को दिखाना चाहती हूँ।
रिचा, आपने भी अपने कैरियर की जो शुरुआत की थी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग रोल से की थी, ये जो रोल में भी कोई आम रोल नहीं, काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग रोल है। स्ट्रॉन्ग रोल प्ले करने में कितना चैलेंज होता है आर्टिस्ट को?
आई मीन एक ऑथर बैक रोल प्ले करना हमेशा मुश्किल होता है, और ख़ास करके ऐसे हम स्पेशली एबल लोगों की कहानी बनाते हैं और डिफिकल्ट थीम की फिल्म होती है, सेक्सुअलिटी वगैरह को डिस्कस करते हैं, तो मुश्किल होता है। आई एम सो
आपकी फिल्म में ट्रेलर देखा?
जी, आपको
कैसा लगा? मतलब कुछ अलग है कि ये?
जी बिल्कुल, मैं स्क्रिप्ट से भी वाकिफ हूँ और मुझे पता है ये बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है, करके इसके लिए ऑलरेडी काफ़ी सारे अवार्ड जीत चुकी हैं और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि फिल्म चलेगी, लोगों को पसंद भी आएगी।
इंडस्ट्री की कितनी अच्छी बात है, पॉजिटिव इन्वायरमेंट आ रहा है, अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट की फिल्में बन रही है, एक्सेप्टेशन भी हो रहा है, कितनी अच्छी बात है ये।
आपके भी बहुत पॉजिटिव है, लोग एक दूसरे को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे की फिल्म जा रहे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली इट्स अ गुड थिंग।
आपके प्रोफेशनल में क्या चल रहा है? आप शूटिंग कर रही हैं, करने वाली है?
मैं बहुत सारी फिल्मों की शूटिंग करके फ्री हुई हूँ और कुछ एक फिल्म की शूटिंग करने वाली हूँ, और आज मैं अपनी बात नहीं, अपने दोस्त की बात करने आई हूँ जिनका नाम है कल्की। तो थैंक यू।
क्या लगता है आपको, व्हाट इज दिस मार्गरेटा? और आप जो फिल्म में आपने जो इस तरह का किरदार है, प्लीज उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
हाँ, बेसिकली लाइला एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत किरदार है, क्योंकि एक दूध से धुली लड़की नहीं है, बिल्कुल चालू है, बहुत गलती करती है, कुछ माँ से लड़ाई होती है, सबसे प्यार हो जाता है, एक जो भी लड़का उससे अटेंशन देती है उससे जल्दी प्यार हो जाता है, दिल टूटता है, दूसरों को दिल भी टूटती है। तो ऐसी लड़की है, जैसे सब टीनेज लड़की की कहानी हो सकता है, ऐसी लड़की है जो पहली बार प्यार करती है और सीखती है उसके ऊपर, उसके बारे में। तो इट्स अ फन कैरेक्टर एंड उसकी स्पिरिट बहुत ही लाइट है। लाइला बहुत शी समबडी हू गेट्स अप विद अ गुड एटीट्यूड, अगर कुछ बुरा होता है वो रोती है, लेकिन जल्दी 5 मिनट बाद वो हंसती है।
तो ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि बहुत चैलेंजिंग था ये रोल जो आपने अभी किया, या वो एज एन एक्टर किस तरह का रोल था? चलिए,
आई प्ले गर्ल हू हैज सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी, एक मोटर स्किल का डिसऑर्डर है, तो मैं मुझे बहुत डर लगा जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, क्योंकि अच्छी लगी स्क्रिप्ट बहुत, और मेरा डर था कि कैसे काम करूँगी इसके ऊपर, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं इसके बारे में, इस डिसेबिलिटी के बारे में। तो मैंने सोनाली से बोला कि प्लीज़ मुझे बहुत वक्त चाहिए, बहुत रिसर्च करना है, और उन्होंने ही बोला कि अगर वक्त नहीं है तो हम नहीं करेंगे फिल्म, कम से कम 3 महीने तो चाहिए। तो सोनाली ने उनकी सिस्टर से इंट्रोड्यूस किया मुझे, मालिनी, और मालिनी को सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी है। तो मैंने बहुत वक्त बिताया मालिनी के साथ और ऑब्जर्व किया कि व्हील चेयर में कैसे घूमती है, क्या करती है, दिन में मतलब काम करती है एक सेंटर फॉर डिसेबिलिटी में, और उसके घर में कैसे कंफर्टेबल है, फिर बाहर कैसे लोग घूरते हैं उसको और बेचारी कहते हैं उसको, क्योंकि समझ नहीं रहे लोग कि उसको कोई इंटेलेक्चुअल इमोशनल कमी नहीं है, सिर्फ एक फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी है। तो ये सारी फ्रस्ट्रेशंस मैंने देखी। फिर मैंने भी प्रैक्टिस किया, बहुत प्रयास किया, 1 घंटे व्हीलचेयर में बैठी रोज 6 महीने के लिए, जस्ट टू जो भी काम था मेरा घर पे, अगर मुझे खाना खाना है या ब्रेकफास्ट बनाना है या शावर करना है, एज लाइला इन द कैरेक्टर मैं काम करती थी।
सोनाली जी, आपसे कहना चाहेंगे कि ये जो फिल्म है इसका आगाज किस तरह से हुआ? हाउ डिड दिस स्क्रिप्ट केम इनटू योर माइंड?
जैसे कल की भी कह रही थी, मेरी एक बहन है मालिनी जो मुझसे सिर्फ 1 साल छोटी है, तो मैं उसके साथ बड़ी हुई हूँ, तो ये मेरे लिए कुछ अलग चीज़ नहीं था किसी का सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी होना। और मेरी पहली फिल्म अनु के बाद मेरी बुआ ने कहा कि देश को मालूम नहीं है क्या चीज़ है, इसके ऊपर फिल्म करो। मैंने कहा मेरा कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरे लिए इंटरेस्टिंग एक्साइटिंग नहीं था, क्योंकि मैं तो बचपन से मैं ये देख रही हूँ। फिर मालिनी ने एक बात मुझे बताई, मैंने बोला कि आपको क्या चाहिए अपने 40th बर्थडे के लिए, इतना बढ़िया बर्थडे। मैंने सोचा वो वाह ऐसा कुछ कहिए, छुट्टी चाहिए, ये चाहिए। उसने कहा कि मुझे एक आई वॉन्ट टू हैव अ रिलेशनशिप, मुझे ये सीखना है कि तुम जो टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड करती हो किसी के साथ रोमांस करना, प्यार करना, मेरे पास ये नहीं हुआ कभी अराउंड 40। ये एज अ सिस्टम मुझे बहुत दुखाया और सोच में भी डाला कि हम तो ये तो बिल्कुल सोचते भी नहीं है। हम सोचते हैं कि ठीक है पढ़ाई लिखाई कर ली, ये तो दूर की बात, सिर्फ कि खाना खिलाना, शादी से ना बहुत कुछ मिला है, तो ये हम छूना नहीं चाहते एज फैमिली मेंबर्स। और फिर मुझे लगा कि ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा एज अ स्पार्क फॉर अ स्टोरी, इसलिए मैंने देखना शुरू किया।
द फिल्म हैज गॉट सम ग्रेट रिस्पांस इंटरनेशनली, इंक्लूडिंग फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड। तो आपको किस तरह का मतलब कुछ कहा है कि फिल्म अच्छी है, किस तरह का आपको क्या रिस्पांस मिला है? स्पेसिफिकली अगर बॉलीवुड की बात की जाए तो आप दोनों से जानना चाहेंगे पहले।
हाँ, बॉलीवुड में तो हम जिनके फैंस हैं जैसे आमिर और मिस्टर बच्चन, उनके साथ बहुत उनको बहुत हंसाया और रुलाया। ये मेरा फेवरेट लाइन है कि लोग ये नहीं सोचे कि बहुत अच्छा है अवार्ड जैसा कि हमें देखना चाहिए, वो लोग इतने एंटरटेन थे, क्योंकि ये एंटरटेनिंग सिनेमा से ही आते हैं और वो लोग बहुत एंटरटेन थे हमारी फिल्म से, ये सबसे बड़ी कॉम्प्लीमेंट थी जी।
बॉलीवुड का बहुत ग्रेट।
हाँ, या आई थिंक रिस्पॉन्सेज बहुत अच्छे हुए हैं। आई थिंक मेरा फेवरेट रिस्पॉन्स था अमित जी का, जब वो बाहर आया स्क्रीन से और मुझे बैठा दिया और बोला मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ ताकि सारी दुनिया ये फिल्म देखे। मुझसे पूछ रहा है, तो वो इतना मूड था, इतना मतलब एक्साइटेड था फिल्म के बारे में, और बोल रहा है कि सारे लोग ये फिल्म देखना चाह रहे हैं, पड़ेगा बिल्कुल।
एक परफेक्शनिस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, अगर हाल ही में अभी कोई फिल्म एक उनके साथ में या फिर उन्हीं के लाइन पे, जैसे वी ऑल नो दैट ही इज नोन अ परफेक्शनिस्ट, तो उनके टाइप की जो फिल्में होती है, क्या उसी तरह आप भी ऑफ बीट सिनेमा करना चाहेंगे?
आई थिंक कि मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं है ऑफ बीट और कमर्शियल सिनेमा से, मुझे अच्छी फिल्म करना है। आई थिंक आमिर खान बहुत अच्छे फिल्म्स करते हैं, वो कमर्शियल फिल्म्स और ऑफ बीट दोनों करते हैं, और लेकिन उनके फिल्म्स में कंटेंट है और वो बहुत ज़रूरी है मेरे लिए भी।
तो आप मतलब ऐसे ही ऑफ बीट फिल्म करना चाहेंगी या यू लाइक टू डू सम अदर रोल्स फ्रॉम द कॉमेडी? मैं तो
बिल्कुल सब कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, मतलब कॉमेडी, रोमांस, एक्शन सब करना चाहती हूँ ऑब्वियसली, लेकिन अगर कंटेंट है फिल्म में।
तो आप दोनों फिर से एक बार किसी और फिल्म में नजर आने वाले हैं ऐसे, इसके बाद पार्ट 2 या
पार्ट 2? डेफिनेटली नॉट, ये कहानी इधर ही खत्म होती है।
तो कल के साथ किसी और फिल्म में आप
वो मैं ये तो मेरे को स्पॉइल कर दिया, तो मैं इसको कहा जब शूटिंग एंड किया कि अभी मैं और एक्टर के साथ कैसे काम करूँगी, इतना ब्रिलियंट और परफेक्शनिस्ट खुद है, तो ऑब्वियसली अगर कोई स्टोरी है जहाँ पे वो फिट करती ना, अगर मैं कोई 60 ईयर ओल्ड के ऊपर स्टोरी करूँ, ऑलवेज ये मेरी फर्स्ट चॉइस होती है।
अच्छा, कल्कि ऑन बोर्ड कैसे है ये प्रोजेक्ट के लिए?
हमने उनको स्क्रिप्ट दिया, उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा, बस।
तो ये बात शी वाज द परफेक्ट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर रोल।
हाँ, क्यों हमने चुना? हाँ, क्योंकि उनकी वो पहले हमें somebody have to look कि 19-year-old हो और उनमें वो एक हंसी हो और एनर्जी हो जो हम चाहते हैं लाइला के लिए। तो एक लुक्स की बात है, दूसरा टैलेंट की बात, टैलेंट हो कि नहीं वो हमें पता था, ये दो चीज में वो फिट हो गया। तीसरी बात है कि कमिटमेंट होगी कि नहीं, काम करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ेगा। तो वो तीसरा के बारे में हमें मालूम नहीं था। हमने जब बात किया, बिल्कुल कल की वो उसके लिए मुझसे भी ज्यादा करना चाहती थी, तो इसलिए वो परफेक्ट थी।
जिसे हम देख रहे हैं कि बहुत से अवार्ड्स मिल चुके हैं फिल्म को इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में, तो क्या ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि जो इंडियन सिनेमा जो है, जो हिंदी सिनेमा है, वो एक हिसाब से इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में भी खुला है और पीपल एक्चुअली डू वांट टू वॉच सच काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स?
ये तो बहुत पुरानी बात है, जब से मतलब सत्यजीत रे, मृणाल सेन हमारे, ये कोई नई बात नहीं है इंटरनेशनल फिल्म के लिए। मेरी पहली फिल्म हमने बर्लिन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में ओपन किया, 10-15 इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड। वो इंटरनेशनल फिल्म नई बात नहीं है हमारी फिल्म के लिए। जो नई बात है कि अब्रॉड हम थिएट्रिकली रिलीज कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, जैसे लंच बॉक्स का इतना थिएट्रिकल सक्सेस हुआ, हमारा फिल्म भी पहले ही जापान में खरीदा मेन स्ट्रीम थिएट्रिकल रिलीज के लिए। तो ये हमारे लिए एक नई और एक्साइटिंग चीज है कि छोटे फिल्म को एक बड़ा थिएट्रिकल मिलना दूसरे देशों में।
आप दोनों से एक जानना चाहूँगा, कल की पहले आपसे, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट आप कितना बिलीव करती हैं?
मैं वुमेन हूँ,
आप एक्टर ही, आप डायरेक्टर ही, और एक सेकंड फिल्म जो हम देखने वाले हैं अभी, इवन द बॉलीवुड सीरीज, तो कुछ खास क्या है ऐसा फिल्म में, अगर इन ओनली टू व्हाट यू कैन जस्ट से इनटू द वीडियो?
हाँ, जैसे हमारे लिए जब भी मैं कोई फिल्म लिखती हूँ तो औरत जो है, औरत का रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या है, जैसे ये कोई फेमिनिस्ट फिल्म नहीं है कि हम एक इशू जो विमेन फेस करते हैं हम वो नहीं उठा रहे, लेकिन जब भी मैं एज अ राइटर लिखूंगी कोई औरत का रोल, तो मैं तो उसी मन से आ रही हूँ जहाँ पे मैं औरत को इक्वल सोचती हूँ। तो मेरा लिखना या मेरा डायरेक्ट करना उसी जगह से आ रही है कि एक 3 डायमेंशनल एम्पावर्ड पर्सन है।
करके आप
हाँ बिल्कुल, आई थिंक कि अगर कोई भी किरदार का जेंडर है, जो भी जेंडर है, उस किरदार को जरूरी है फिल्म में, उस कहानी को आगे बढ़ाने जरूरी है। वो बहुत खास बात, मतलब खास बात में ज़रूरी बात है कि यू नो दैट जो भी जेंडर है, अगर मेल या फीमेल, उसको क्यों डाला फिल्म में, क्या करेगी फिल्म में या क्या करेगा फिल्म में टू मेक द स्टोरी गो फॉरवर्ड, और वो बहुत रियल होगा, जो स्टेरियोटाइप नहीं है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है।
एक आखिरी सवाल, 17 को रिलीज होने वाली थी, किस तरह से इंडियन मार्केट में रिलीज होने वाली, कितनी स्क्रीन्स में रिलीज होने वाली है?
करीब 250 स्क्रीन से शुरू करेंगे और फिर वर्ड ऑफ माउथ के साथ वो लोग एक्सपेक्ट करें कि बढ़ेंगे। तो हमें बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है कि ऑल इंडिया एक रिलीज हो रही है 17 को, नॉट जस्ट सी की सिर्फ बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, बैंगलोर।
और इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में किस तरह से रिलीज करेंगे?
वो हर मार्केट जो खरीदा, जैसे मैंने कहा जापान, साउथ कोरिया, यूएस में भी खरीदा, कनाडा में भी, मैक्सिको में भी, स्पेन, हर कंट्री अपनी डेट्स निकाल के फिल्म को रिलीज करेंगे। वो डेट्स अभी तक पता नहीं है।
चलिए, ऑल द बेस्ट एंड थैंक यू सो मच।
Hearing so much about it, so I'm very excited, and it's a very brave film, and yeah, so just here to be, I don't know, inspired, I guess. Absolutely, I think Kalki is one of the more I don't know, amazing actresses we have of this generation, and whatever work I've seen of her from Devi or any other film that she's done, or a film like Ye Jawani, I think she's constantly sort of, you know, changed the parameters of great acting, and I'm very excited for this film. very, very excited. Also because I knew the preparation she had put in for this film, because she was in Delhi when I spoke to her, and I knew what all she was going through to actually prepare for this part. So I'm really excited for this.
Do you think more and more such kind of films will be made in Bollywood?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think every week I see all my contemporaries really pushing the envelope and doing something crazy, and that's the way to go forward.
And what some professionals
I saw the trailer and I completely loved it. I wouldn't have missed this film for anything in the world. I told Kalki that I'll go to the theatre and watch it, and then she said, we're having a screening. So I'm here to watch it. I'm very excited. She's unbelievable in the trailer, and going by the trailer, I think the film is going to be that's what I was telling them, that I watched the trailer and I sent Kalki a message because I thought she was unbelievable. So I'm dying to watch the film, that's all I can say.
बहुत बढ़ गया pressure.
Yeah? और क्या? अच्छी फिल्में बन रही है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, और एक्ट्रेसेस के लिए, हीरोइनों के लिए अच्छे रोल्स लिखे जा रहे हैं, ये सबसे अच्छी बात है। और 3-4 साल पहले जब डर्टी पिक्चर और कहानी हुई, तब लोग कह रहे थे कि अच्छा दिस इज़ आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी, पर स्लोली ये नॉर्म बनता जा रहा है। मतलब पिछले साल ही 5 ऐसी बेहतरीन फिल्में निकली। आज मार्गरीटा देखने वाली हूँ, आज साल की शुरुआत अच्छे से हुई है। सो ग्रेट, मोर पावर टू all those writers and filmmakers who are telling beautiful stories with women at the helm. Thank you.
So I'm really looking forward to the film. And of course, Kalki is a superb actress, and whatever I saw from the trailer was actually really tear-jerking. So I wonder what the film will do. We did our first movie together. Her first movie was really with us, and since then it's been a remarkable journey for me. So really looking forward to this I think so. I think that's been the trend over the last few years now. It's a great trend to have because we need all sorts of cinema, and we're happy to support that sort of cinema, and we at Disney have always done that. See, I've not seen the movie yet, so it's a little early for me to comment, but we look at every script from the perspective of, is it engaging, is it entertaining for the audience, is it something that engages them, and if it is, then that's something that we'd love to go ahead and do.
I've heard nothing but phenomenal things about the movie. I actually work very closely with an organization called ADAPT,
and Malini, who is actually a character that Kalki's character is based on, loosely based on a person. She's a person I know, and I am very intrigued to see what Kalki has made of Malini in this film, and I'm extremely happy that this film has been made. I think it's a subject that no filmmaker in India has even considered before. So there are many firsts with this film, but most importantly, I think we are highlighting the fact that sex is just as important a part of a person with disability than it would be for anybody else. And what is most amazing is that the character's disability is not the focal point of the film. It is about her coming of age as a person.
What do you have to say on Kalki being an actor?
I love Kalki. I think right from her first film debut, it's been more than evident that she's a phenomenal actor. I can't imagine anybody else having played this part. She has this raw innocence with a combination of intelligence and craft that very few people have, and I can't wait to see her performance in this film. आई थिंक ये जो मुद्दा है और जिस तरह से और जिस सेंसिटिविटी से इस मुद्दे को हैंडल किया गया है, मैंने अभी तक फिल्म देखी नहीं है, पर मैं बहुत पढ़ती आ रही हूँ फिल्म के बारे में। बहुत चर्चे में रही है ये फिल्म। मैंने कल्कि के आर्टिकल्स पढ़े, उनके वीडियो इंटरव्यूज़ देखे, और जैसे कि मैं पहले बता रही थी कि जो कैरेक्टर पर बेस्ड है, आधारित है कल्कि का कैरेक्टर फिल्म में, मैं उस लड़की को जानती हूँ। और आई थिंक सोनाली एक ऐसी फिल्म, एक ऐसी कहानी बोलने की कोशिश कर रही है जिसमें डिसेबिलिटी इज़ नॉट द सेंट्रल फोकल पॉइंट ऑफ द फिल्म। ये एक कमिंग ऑफ एज स्टोरी है, इसमें ह्यूमर है, रोमांस है, और एक ऐसी हकीकत है जो हम सबको एम्ब्रेस करना सीखना चाहिए। हम जब कैंपेन्स करते हैं और कहते हैं लोगों से कि एक्सेसिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए डिसेबिलिटी के लिए, किसी को भी डिसेबिलिटी हो सकती है। कल आप अपने पैर तोड़ सकते हो, आप एक व्हीलचेयर पे, आपकी बाकी की ज़िंदगी खुदा ना खास्ता, मैं एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे कह रही हूँ, बट दीज आर फैक्ट्स अबाउट लाइफ दैट वी काइंड ऑफ टोटली अंडरमाइन एज अ सोसाइटी। एंड द अदर थिंग इज़ दैट द मोमेंट वी सी समबडी इन अ व्हीलचेयर, वी स्टीरियोटाइप आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ देम, यू नो, एंड आई थिंक ये फिल्म उन सब बातों को चैलेंज करती है जो हमारे स्टीरियोटिपिकल माइंडसेट्स हैं उनको। Thank you.
What is the response that you got for the film till now?
It's been really, really positive, really good responses. I think today there was a 5-star from Subhash Keja, which is really great news. Of course, you've all heard about Amitabh sir and Aamir Khan, who've praised the film and been moved by the film. Yeah, generally it's been very, very very good.
Okay, and Oxygen and Chocolate and stars like Amitabh Bachchan, Amrite, plays your work in your film. Does that also add to the pressure कि next film में और अच्छा?
बिल्कुल प्रेशर है कि हर फिल्म में अच्छा काम करना है। हाँ, प्रेशर है।
Amitabh sir have complimented the film, but apart from India, from this is और आपको क्या होता है?
अभी ऋचा चड्ढा, गुलशन भैया, मेरे सारे दोस्त आए देखने और उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा। वो काफ़ी ऑनेस्ट है मेरे साथ। हर फिल्म अच्छा नहीं लगते हैं उनको, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ दैट दे लाइक्ड इट। और एक स्क्रीनिंग भी हुआ कोलकाता में और यहाँ पे भी फॉर अडैप्ट सेंटर डिसेबल लोग के लिए, उनको भी बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मूविंग लगा। तो ये सबसे बड़ी बात है। क्या मतलब? आई थिंक इसमें message as the film is not trying to preach anything, लेकिन definitely it's about loving yourself. So अगर कोई message है कि it's about loving yourself and accepting yourself.
in coming days, can we see more of such special screenings of the film?
I'm not sure if we have more planned. I think tomorrow Pune में एक screening होगा और उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या plans हैं. Thank you. काफ़ी फिजिकल प्रेपरेशन किया है इस फिल्म के लिए. 6 महीने में व्हीलचेयर में रही, बहुत रियाज किया, रिहर्सल किया, और वो मेंटल प्रेपरेशन इसके साथ भी आया. बिकॉज जब आप दिन भर व्हीलचेयर में बैठे हुए हैं तो आपको वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता है और वो यू फील लिमिटेड एंड लोग बहुत घूरते हैं, आपको देखते हैं, तो वो सब एडिशन भी हो जाता है. तो डेफिनेटली इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेपरेशन बट आई लर्नड अ लॉट एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई वेंट थ्रू द एक्सपीरियंस. हाँ जी, हार्ड वर्क इज पेइंग ऑफ. अभी तो रिलीज होने वाली है तो देखते हैं. होपफुली इट विल पे ऑफ इन द बॉक्स ऑफिस ऑल्सो. थैंक यू. Right. I mean, it's all out. Mr. Bachchan saw it. Amir and Kiran are really supporting the film. Everybody knows about that. And, day before, I think our friends had come. Gulshan, they were here, Radhika Apte. Today, some of my friends are coming. Vinay Pathak saw it. And they are generally very, very critical about films. But I'm also waiting for my other friends to see it, and because I know they are going to be honest with me. But till now, whoever has seen it, they've only said superlative things about the film, and which is great. It's a great feeling.
Okay, do you think Kalki will have to make the standard to match the performance that she has given in the film?
Kalki is really out of the world in the film. I don't think in India, in the country, you've seen a performance of this caliber in the last 2 decades. She's really outdone anything you've seen so far, and I have seen how much work she's put in, and it's paid off, and I'm so proud of her. I'm very happy that she's suddenly raised the bar of acting so high in Indian cinema that everybody else around will get inspired to sort of match up.
What is your expectation for Friday?
I'm very hopeful. I'm just starting out, so even to have this kind of a response and a buzz about your own film, it's very exciting. Very nervous as well. But I think people will go watch it. I have a strong feeling, and everybody is talking about it, thankfully. A lot of youngsters, all kinds of people. So yeah, it's word of mouth. Please come watch the film, and you should watch the film and ask people to. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Whole meaning behind it.
Okay. And out of 5 क्या marks देंगे?
I can't rate it. It's so good.
Acting कैसी लगी आपको?
It's just brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was a beautiful movie. Yeah. Excuse me. It was a beautiful movie. She was amazing in the movie compared to other movies. She acted really well. Her face showed a lot of emotion. 5.
Film is slow. I don't think the masses will like it, especially the younger generation. That's it. She acts very well. Yeah, but I don't think it will go a hit.
So out of 5, how many stars?
2.5.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Because I like the movie. It's a very well-made movie, and as expected, Revati's movies are good. Good. Very good. She is a good actress, no doubt about that. 4. I've already told. Yeah.
With the Straw is a picture mainly meant for the class audience, for the multiplex cinemas. And Kalki has given an award-winning performance. Picture छोटी है, 1 घंटे 50 मिनट की picture है. And I very much agree with Farah Khan when she says that Margarita with the Straw has 2 heroes, One is Sonali Bose and the other one is Kalki.
अगर हम इसमें बताएं इस समय लोग का क्या मुद्दा उठाया है, कुछ मुद्दा उठाया है इसमें?
Mudda matlab, like it's a story, like this is based on the real incident, I believe, based on a person who is sick this way. But of course, yes, there are, moments when you feel very sad and you feel like crying, But then Kalki has a smiling face throughout. That's the plus point.
रेवती की बात करें, काफी टाइम के बाद वो स्क्रीन पे
बहुत अच्छा किया है परफॉर्मेंस, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया है एज अ मदर ऑफ कल्की. एंड फाइनली ऑफ कोर्स शी डाइज, हु इज दैट, रेवती हैज टू डाई. But award-winning performance, and definitely 100% I can tell you that Kalki will get the awards.
कितने स्टार्टिंग
Out of 5, 4.5 definitely.